Today I'm going to be reviewing another PuriVibe product by All About Juicing. They've sent me several of their different products to try out, and this is the latest one in exchange for a review. And I've always liked this brand because the owner really cares about the quality. And, you know, when it comes to beverages, if you're trying to drink this to try to get a positive effect, you're going to care about how it's sourced, how it's processed, or how it's over processed or not. And from all the products that I've tasted from this brand, I have always had a positive impression. So I'm going to go ahead and make this and talk about some of the specs and what you'll expect. So for this yerba mate drink, I'm going to use 1 scoop to either 8 to 16 ounces. I actually have it in between that amount. I like full drinks. They do provide a couple different ones that you'd use with a lesser amount, like little shots, like I did a ginger shot a little bit before. And I like these full drinks. And in case you haven't seen this before, I like to use these mason jars to shake them up. Just make sure that you get that powder nice and dissolved in there. You know, funny thing about yerba mate is that it's not it's not the same caffeinated effect as you would get from something like coffee. It has something in there called theobromine, and that makes it so the energy feels a little bit more smoother. So it's kind of like it, but kind of not. So it's going to give you a little bit of a kick. Just to refresh myself how this tastes. The passion fruit, it comes right through. Or is that guava? Oh yeah, just like I thought. So passion fruit and guava. I couldn't remember if that was it. But flavor is pretty good. This is a stronger flavor. And if you like passion fruit, then you're going to like this. This is a pretty passion fruity thing. Oh, I got a little clump in there. You know, that happens sometimes with this. I got to go and grab a little spoon and harass that little guy once in a while. You know, with all these powder drinks, it's going to happen. You're bound to get like a little clump here or there. I try my best to get it the first time, but, you know, not everyone's perfect. But yeah, this company, I've always appreciated their products. The owner cares a lot. And for that alone, that's just a lot about that, because the company's really good, the product's really good, and I will always recommend these products to people. Once again, that's the PuriVibe Guava, Passion Fruit, and yerba mate. That's the key word, right? So go check it out.